and let's go in. So welcome to my dorm, you guys. I hope you like it. So here we have like a little patio. It's not really done. My roommate tried doing something with it, but the bugs like tore it up and it's just messy out here, so we don't really use this. And this is a college dorm, so it's not like you can like redo anything, or I'm sure you can add like chairs and stuff, but nobody wants to do that because it gets dirty out there and it rains. Well, there's a ceiling, but yeah. So this is our window. It lets in so much light. I do like to turn on the light though too, because I just want to make sure I can see, because I have a hard time seeing when there's no surrounding light. So yeah. So here is the wall and mirrors. Jordan, my roommate, designed this. It's really, really nice. Yeah, it's just really good and really creative. And I love the different shapes and how she uses different colors. And then the mirrors, I think that's really cool. And then we have our couch here, or both of our couches. Jordan also brought these into the dorm, as well as the coffee table. And so it's a really cool coffee table because one of her friends actually made this, and I like the white at the end. So yeah, at the tips, I guess. Then we have our TV, and as you guys can see, I'm wearing my PJs because I'm not really going anywhere today. Well, I'm about to leave, so I'm about to get ready after this, but yeah. So then here's our TV, and then of course I had to bring my PS4, y'all, my game console, and she has a PS3, and then we have games and movies. Here's the kitchen area. Of course we have our recycling, and here's our table. This is like needs to be centered. Yeah, so she actually painted this table, so it's pretty good. And then here's our kitchen. It's pretty big, I feel like, for a college dorm. So in here we have some silverware and my knives. I like these knives because marble. So yeah. And then here's kind of junky, but I have all my seasonings, my pastas, breakfast foods, ketchup, syrup, graham crackers, and oils, things like that I need for cooking, because I definitely do cook here because I feel like their food is not really good. Here's our microwave, our stove, and our oven. We also have a dishwasher, but I actually wash my dishes by hand, so yeah. And then in here we have all my plates, my bowls, my cups, and my mugs. I love mugs, so I love to collect them, but I don't want to collect them so much so that I run out of room. This actually should be there. Yeah, so this is my cup cabinet. That way I have enough when people come over. Here's the washer and dryer. We usually cover this up with this little curtain because it's kind of weird being in the kitchen. But you know, do what you gotta do. And here's our fridge. And the fridge full of food and water. I've been drinking nothing but water lately. It's very good for you. You feel a lot better. And so let's go into, this is the bathroom. Hey y'all. There's the bathroom. We have like a separate door for like the shower and the toilet. So, and then we have like a separate light for it too. And we have cool fans, so if you blow up the bathroom, it'll turn on. Okay. And yeah, here's the shower. It's cool that we have our own space. And then here's where I keep all my stuff. It's kind of in disarray right now because school has me like crazy. But here's my hair care, here's my smell goods, there's my wash stuff, and cleanliness. And here's my cleaning supplies for when I clean the bathroom. And here's all my makeup, all stacked up together. I have so much makeup. I hate the storage though for makeup, so I'm just trying to figure out a way I can have some storage without it looking like that, because I'm more type of person that's visual. Here's my toothbrush and my soaps. I love this soap. It's only like $1 or something. It smells so good. So yeah, big mirror. Doing big things with big mirrors. Big clean mirrors. Okay, last but not least, the bedroom. Yes, we do have a separate section for the bedroom. Can you tell which side's my side? Ha 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 ha! So this is my side of the bedroom. Yeah, I just have a few things on here. I love for you guys. I love being girly. I love black and gray. I love this comforter. I'm addicted to this comforter because it's two-tone. It goes from white to gray. And then I love this pillow. This big, huge pillow right here. It's amazing. And I got this, these curtains from Target, and I just put them on the corner because I don't have like this whole window. Like this part is her side. So I thought this would be a cool way to decorate the wall. Yeah, then I got some flowers over here. I got this touch light. It's really cool. And then of course I have the calendar and Miss Audrey. And then here's the closet. It definitely opens up this room a lot because it's like mirrors. So hey, I should be taking pictures in here, right? We have all this space. But for some reason, I don't take advantage of these situations. So here's my desk. These are the pants I'm gonna wear today, so that's why they're out. Here's all my school supplies. Whoop-de-woo. I just have miscellaneous stuff in the 2 drawers. Nothing spectacular. And then here's part of my closet. We don't have too much closet space, so I didn't bring all my clothes or all my shoes. So yeah, so here I just have all my clothes. As you can see, all my hangers are the same. I don't like having different color hangers. Unless, well, I have these like every once in a while, just because like if I'm washing some clothes and they can't go in the dryer, they have to air dry, then I just usually put them on this. But for some reason, this is way over here. I don't know why. And here are my shoes, just the basic shoes. And then here's some storage for sweats and things like that. I don't know why this is folded like this. My God, this is gonna drive me nuts. And then I have hats, beanies, and scarves in here. Honestly, I'm gonna figure out a way to like display it nicely. But I'm the type of person like I just have to figure it out. Yeah. Or get some inspiration, because right now I'm just too busy to. Oh my God, I have to stay in there. Yeah, I'm just too busy to like really put in the effort. And then I just have some storage up here. There's my books and my binders and things like that. And then I just have miscellaneous stuff in this container. I originally was going to do 3 of these, but I just kept going to Target so much. I was so tired of going to Target. So I just gave up. And then here are some 3 bags that I have. I didn't bring all my bags either. I have a lot of bags, but I figured I wouldn't have that much room. Plus, I didn't want to be carrying a bunch of stuff when I go back to the bay. So this is my dresser. I put all like my underwear in here, my pajamas in the second one. In this last one, I put my socks, and then in the third to last, I put like onesies and towels. And then of course, here's my makeup thing with all my lipstick. I don't have all my lipsticks, but some of them. And yeah. There's my Instamax. I love this lamp because it has this decoration and whatnot. I love this. And it's funny because it matches Jordan's. And yeah, I've just been addicted to this. And as you can see, there's the sunlight in our window and it lets in a lot of light. So there we go. I actually really love this too. Like, this is marble and it's from Target and it's a whiteboard. I love the whiteboard. And of course my pin cushions with just inspirational stuff and people back home and my boyfriend. And just stuff that's gonna inspire me. I love fashion, so I always keep that there. I have to pray more. So I keep that there. So when times get rough, I know to keep praying. And trust the process. This is a thing that really I need to like take heed to, because I'm always trying to rush the process. I'm just like, I need to get out of school so I can do this. Oh, I'm mad I'm not at this certain level. But if you trust the process, you'll know why you weren't at that level at that particular time. So just trust the process. You'll get there eventually. No rush. So yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick dorm tour, just so you can see what it's like being in college if you're thinking about going to college, or you're just fascinated with things like this. Well, here you go. Let me know if you would like more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, hi girl, hi. Welcome to the family. You should go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can just dwell in all this craziness. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.